open these Bama Jammas first. All right. Are you recording? No. Use a food processor, or you can use a high-speed. Look how much it makes. It makes like 1.5 cups. Hello everyone, welcome to the Divine Chef. I'm Rosemary, and I'm really excited about what we're making today. I know I say that a lot, but this time I am excited because I'm making vegan Parmesan cheese. Now, I miss Parmesan. I used to put Parmesan on everything, on broccoli, on pasta, in a spoon and just eating it. I love me some Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna make a nice, easy 3-ingredient Parmesan cheese, vegan Parmesan cheese. So let me show you what's in those ingredients. So you'll need 1 cup of cashews, raw cashews. I get these from Costco, or just regular cashews. You'll need 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And you'll need 1 teaspoon of salt, any type of sea salt. I like to use Himalayan pink salt. Okay, you can use a food processor or you can use a high-speed blender. And just start off by adding your cashews, 1 cup of cashews in there. Ooh. Yeah, a good full cup. And I like to pulse that first. Okay, and then we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And make it full tablespoons, because nutritional yeast is really good because it gives you that cheesy flavor. And most vegans know about nutritional yeast. And then we'll add our salt in there. And let's give that a little bit of a pulse on it. And you can throw everything in there at once. This is just my way of doing things. Just give it 1 little pulse. Check it, make sure it doesn't have those big chunks in it. So get everything from the sides, off from the sides. There you go. You don't want to make it too well, at least I don't like it too powdery. I like to have a little bit of texture in it, but not those big old clumps right there that you see in there. So let's break that down a little more. Let's check that again. So I think I want it about that texture, yeah. That looks pretty good. Gives it a little bit of a bite. I think that's perfect. Let's see. Make sure. All right, so you want to stir it up and make sure you can put it in a bowl and just use it. Put it on your table, or you can put it in an airtight container if you're not going to use it right away. So I have this little jar, little mini mason jar. Okay, let's get this out the way. We're just gonna fill it up with that. So if you were to grind it down even smaller granules, you can actually with this, you can poke bigger holes in the top of your mason jar. If you wanted to make it a shaker jar, you can do that as well. I just open it up and scoop some out and put it on top of my pasta or whatever I'm using it for. See, look how much it makes. It makes like 1.5 cups. It feels like. I have to get it all in there. And I'm gonna use some of it anyway, so no biggie. But look how full that jar gets. Yum. Yeah. So I added some pasta to the pot. I like brown rice pasta, and Jimmy likes Barilla pasta. Either way, well, he actually likes brown rices too. But this is just gonna be regular pasta. It's still vegan friendly. And I also made, the other day, some walnut mushroom meat, and I have a video of that making tacos as well, so you can find that on the channel. And I'm gonna add some sauce to this meat. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of sauce to it while it's heating up. So just to make a nice little light meat sauce. And this mushroom meat works really well. It's great with tacos. You can make a lasagna with this. Not just with pasta, you can make nachos and cheese, you know, with the chips. It's just very versatile. You would use this meat the same way that you would use regular ground beef. So I'm gonna let that cook up some. So we got our spaghetti on the plate. Add a little bit of your meat sauce. Be delicious. Add your Parmesan cheese. Just, like I said, I like a lot of it. Sprinkle that on. Look how delicious that looks. All right, so our pasta with meat sauce is ready. Let's give it a try. I have not tried it yet. I had the mushroom meat on its own with the, like in a salad and stuff. I have not tried it yet with some pasta and meat with the sauce in it. So we'll be trying this together. So let's see. Hopefully it tastes good. Fingers crossed. Let's get a little bit of that Parmesan in there. Let's see. Oh, that's good. Okay. It tastes like, I don't even like ground beef actually. You know, I never did even as a kid. That tastes good. That tastes even better. Guys, check out the other recipe and make that walnut mushroom meat that I have in the taco recipe. This is really good. And that Parmesan, it has that tangy, salty, like Parmesan has. So good, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna finish this up, all right, because it is delicious. But in the meantime, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out some of our other videos on this channel. Hopefully you'll like those as well. And I'll be putting up a new video every Sunday, guys. So with that being said, I am Rosemary and I will see you on the next video. Bye.